Set, ready for racing. Racing just is started with Professor Jones rushing about the outside is pinagtipunan in between horses. Mighty Pride. Then comes Space Needle Pangarap also showing speed. Then comes Secret Kingdom, Pamilican Island. Then next on that is Johnny Be Good. Grab getting the wide strip as they make the first turn. Kaligayahan while Creative is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have Pangarap by about 4 lengths. Pamilican Island in second. Professor Jones is racing in third. Pinagtipunan. Now moving up to take third. Johnny Be Good is down on the inside. The Secret Kingdom is Space Needle. Then comes Mighty Pride, Creative Grab, while Kaligayahan is still racing in 11th. Inside the Tres Octavo, we have Pangarap by a length and a half. And here comes Pinagtipunan. Now moving up on the outside. Pamilican Island is Space Needle. Likewise arriving at the scene. Johnny Be Good. Then comes Secret Kingdom, Mighty Pride. And they are now entering the home stretch. Pangarap, Mayorling and a half. Pinagtipunan is on the outside. Down on the inside. Pamilican Island is Space Needle. Last 100 meters. We have Pangarap. Pinagtipunan is on the outside. Baresel, a long shot. Pangarap winning this race over Pinagtipunan. Then comes Space Needle. Secret Kingdom.
Alright, mga terorista, sinabi ko naman sa inyo, mahirap na karera to.
Oo, very
makikita
exciting,
kayong Diago, isama nyo na.
Ano wala ka ba napapansin partner? Kev 13 ngayon, 13
Oo,
na.
Number 13, Pangarap, banderang tapos, although hindi pa gano'ng maganda yung salida niya. Rider niyan, Kelvin Abobo, then masisigundi, number 9 na si Pinagtipunan, then dikit between Space